family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I have some Mother's Day recommendation, and happy early Mother's Day. I know you all are getting this ahead of time, but I just wanted to give some of the men folk, if you are out there, or some of you all have mothers or a mother figure, or maybe an auntie or a cousin that's a mother figure. And I wanted to give you all my recommendation for this Mother's Day. You might be shopping, you might be doing some last minute shopping, but your sis wanted to hook you up, but I didn't want to flood you with recommendations. So I kept it really simple, simple. So that you can go and give your beautiful mother or mother figure a great Mother's Day gift. So let's get right into it. First off, I would recommend maybe some sets, like perfume sets or maybe body care sets. Those are so good for Mother's Day because they can actually test and try maybe different fragrances from a fragrance house that they wanted to get into, or maybe body care they were looking at. So sets are really good for Mother's Day and in this season. I would recommend, if you have a Nordstrom's by you, I would really look at Tomford. And this is the oil kind of collection, okay? The shimmering oil. So you have the Soleil Blanc, and you have the Soleil Neige. So she would get to really indulge into the fragrance and the oils, and it's a shimmering oil. So if your beautiful mother or mother figure has a vacation coming up, these would be absolutely perfect for that time. Highly would recommend you get definitely some sets that are in Nordstrom's. They would be really great Mother's Day gift, and they would be really sitting at a good price point. I know we kind of tend to spend some money on our mothers, but if you get a set, you're really saving some money in that set, okay? Next, I would also recommend, if she is into House of Sillage and wanted a cupcake. Maybe she's always wanted a cupcake, those beautiful, right, pieces. But you're like, I don't know which one she wants. This is so good. And my box is busted and disgusted. If you see that, it's okay. But if you get her like the signature scent collection, she would be able to try all of them to see maybe just foundation what she would want to try. I mean, this is a really great gift. I got this as a gift and totally love it. I know you can't tell, but I do try these and dabble in these for like travel purposes. But it has your like holiday, Passion de l'Amour, not my fan favorite, but it has Love in the Air, which is really good. Cherry Garden. We have Host Bijou. It has totally a lot of the different collections. So I would honestly recommend you getting that, and you can get that on the House of Sillage website. I'm not exactly sure on shipping at this moment, but maybe you can expedite shipping or something like that. But that would be a really great gift to get. Also, just under a smaller price point. Now, I wish that Ocha had other things other than a dabber. Really do wish. But I would recommend maybe even Ocha's collection, or any collection at this point, right? I'm just giving you ideas. But any perfume collection set, you can get some from Sephora, you can get some from Ulta, Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus. There are so many different stores that provide you with fragrance house collections, right? Different perfumes that you could try. I would honestly recommend leaning more towards that. Gives your Mother Day figure options without you having to spend something and she really doesn't like it. She can try all of them and see which one she does like. And then you can plan for Christmas, because when she tests them, she's going to be like, ooh, I really like this one. And then you are set up for Christmas. You're welcome. Pre-plan it. Pre-plan. That's what your sister here is for. Pre-plan it. Moving on. Next up, if your mother is into candles, there is one I wanted to bring on and let you, oh my goodness, highly recommend if you are into Bath and Body Works, but maybe you want a luxury candle. There's tons of luxury candles that I know nothing about that are out there in the world. And maybe you want to give her a luxury candle, that's fine. But I'm going to tell you about Bath and Body Works. Okay. So Bath and Body Works has this candle, and it is the Blush Amber and Peony. Oh my gosh. First of all, the packaging is beautiful, right? Gives you spring, gives you sexiness with that black. It is beautiful. But the smell, oh my goodness, I would think this is a luxury candle. This is amazing. If your mother loves rose or very in-depth fragrances, this is a good, really good, sexy rose candle. Okay, like, well, oh my goodness, like, took my breath away. This is absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend. And Bath and Body Works, they just had like a $12.95 sale. You can get a great sale and pick this one up. This, if she loves a rose or a sexy fragrance or a more deeper type of fragrance, I could not see her not liking this. This is really, ooh, this is really good, okay? This has your sweet peony. We have warm musk. Ooh, it gives you that warm. And it has golden pear. Maybe that's why I'm all, you know your sis. But this is so good. It gives that sweet, sexy depth. Oh, love it, love it. Down. Highly would recommend. Again, that is Blush Amber and Peony. Highly recommend. That is the candle to get for Mother's Day. All right, moving on. And last, and certainly not least, let's get into some fragrances. I have just a few, right, at different price points. I wanted to make sure that I kind of speak to everyone and everyone's budget and price point out there for your mother. So if you are looking for an affordable option, right? I have heard so many people talk about the luxury Bath and Body Works collection. Anytime I have told anyone, like, I'm really into fragrance, they're like, have you tried the new luxury Bath and Body Works collection? I'm like, yeah, I got all of them. But people are really into that, and I think that that is a great option for any mothers that maybe they're not heavy into fragrance, but they still like to smell good. This one, I've talked about her Zao. Okay, baby Delina, okay, aka Delino. Okay, anyway, covered in roses. This is so beautiful, okay? And you compare this with this and make it a set, okay? And she will be happy, having a great night. They really go together, right? As far as packaging, but Covered in Roses is absolutely beautiful. If you can get your hands on this in store, I would honestly say out of the luxury collection, this is my favorite. This is one to get, especially for Mother's Day. Highly, highly would recommend. And moving to honey, if she's looking for something maybe fruity, playful, but still speaks, it's Angel Nova, okay? Another baby Delina. But this pronounced, and it is, it's so good. It's so good and juicy and fruity, and oh my goodness, Angel Nova, you can get it on Joma Shop at a really good deal, steal deal. I mean, this is a very great option, especially for Mother's Day. If your mother is very fun and vibrant and she like to go out, she like the brunch life. Like if she is really out in them streets, she is out in the world, this is one to get your mom. Highly would recommend. Oh my goodness, like this is amazing. All right, moving on. Next up, if your mother is into vanilla, look no further. Honey, it even has woman in it, okay? And this is from Killian, Woman in Gold. Highly would recommend this. This is not new to my channel. I've talked about her, probably talked about her too much. But oh, if your mama, your nana, whoever, if they love a good vanilla, when I say this is feminine work, like this is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like white party yacht. It is rich life, luxury life. It is beautiful, okay? I would highly recommend, okay, if you have that type of woman or mother that is very fancy and free, you know, very luxury and luxe and very bougie and all the things. Like, this is a very good one to get her. And you probably can get this at a really good deal at this point, but so pretty, so beautiful. She would love this, like love this down, okay? Now you would have to love a good like creamy, you know, your mom would like creamy, kind of even a hint of milky type of scent. But it's not sour. Like, let's not get it twisted. It's not sour. It is so smooth and good and vanilla. You got vanilla absolute in the middle. You got vanilla in the end. Yeah, okay. If she's that type of woman, you want to get this for your mom, okay? And last but certainly not least, okay, let's go to a little price point. Let's creep it up a little bit. But this is very much a classic. And she's being talked about lately. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'm loving to see her. Okay. But I wanted to give my recommendation for this beautiful foundation to me in your collection, to be a part of your collection, right? And that is from maisonfranciskurkdjian. This is Rouge, but this is the Extrait version. This is the very much the red. It's in the red box, okay? This has your almond note in it, but even in the season of spring, even going into summer, this is your like events. Like if your mom goes to like conventions, if your mom is always like traveling for work, and she's needing a fragrance that just makes her stand out. If she got a promotion, okay, and she's like the boss, you know, and you know, whatever, graduating maybe, okay, this is a perfect scent to get her. Trust me when I say maisonfranciskurkdjian, don't Baccarat 540, don't steer you wrong, okay? So, but this is a little bit of a penny, but if you are spending that for your mom, let her have this, okay? And they have even a bigger bottle if you want. However you want to spend your coins for your beautiful mom. This is definitely a great gift to get, and she would love it down if she doesn't already have it in her collection, okay? Because if she's a fragrance girly, she might already have it. So make sure you peek in the room, check out the scene, and then go and grab, okay? Well, that's all, family, for my Mother's Day recommendation. I hope you enjoy. Happy Mother's Day, okay? I'm a mother too, so happy Mother's Day to us, okay? Make sure that you let me know, like, what are some of the Mother's Day gifts that you're trying to get for your mothers? Like, the family would love to know, so comment down below. We all want to know, like, what to get, what we getting, okay? Even if it's self-care, body care, there's so many different things like Tatcha. I mean, we can go on for days, but make sure that it is centered with love and for your mom, and she'll love anything that you get, okay? Well, if you're kind of like my mama, she'll love anything that you'll get. Well, make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.